znaczy się włączy nagrywanie. Witam kochani bardzo serdecznie na kanale Fred Gra. Dzisiaj kontynuujemy szpil z Dziedzictwa Hogwartu. Mam nadzieję, że wam się podoba. Kurde, jakiś pierun mi tu loto. Jeżeli wam się podoba, serdecznie zapraszam do subskrypcji oraz łapy w górę na YouTubie oraz followka na Twitchu. A jeżeli podoba wam się to, co robię, możecie mnie wesprzeć na Tipli. Linki macie oczywiście w opisie. Tak, gra wyścig, podoba mi się prezent. Wszystkie części Gotika, dziękuję bardzo. Nie, 3. I tam dodatek jeszcze jeden. Więc dziękuję bardzo serdecznie. Raweścik za prezent. Witam serdecznie. Jak to wymyślał Gio, bo polski klawiaturze powinien geniusz albo sadysta. Dokładnie. Dobrze, moi drodzy, przypominam, że w sobotę o godzinie tej 18, przepraszam, będzie live urodzinowy. Będziemy grać razem. Mam nadzieję, że będę final z Fredką. Będziemy też może grać na Discordzie. Zobaczymy, ile osób będzie. Kurde. Więc serdecznie zapraszam. Dużo się zmieniło, że na widzicie zmieniam tutaj, gdzie pisze Switch, te nawalki i tak dalej, więc tu sobie wykupiłem. Bardzo dużo rzeczy zrobiłem w międzyczasie. Wpierunę rzeczy zrobiłem. To na mnie nie będzie. To nie będzie, jak będzie The Final. No będzie The Final, ale to mówię, że gra z widzami na Discordzie. Będziemy mogli grać Gotika po śląsku i zwykłego. No i bardzo dobrze, dziękuję bardzo. Dobra, mam Alchomorę, drugi poziom już jak coś, więc jest git. Tu zrobię mnóstwo dodatkowych rzeczy. Szukanie jakiegoś chopa we cylindrze po jakichś kurde jaskiniach. Ja nie wiem. Też żeśmy gadali z tym Optimusem ślepym, że on nie chce czarnej magii, a ten mu drugiego do ja, ale on ma Anię do... Do czego ma ta Ania? Nie do spania. Mniejsza z tym. Szukałem smoczych jaj po śląsku na YouTube, ale nie zdążyłem. Smoczych jaj. Więc o właśnie, smocze jaja też żeśmy ogarnęli. I teraz tak, no i teraz powiedzcie, bo będziemy ci swarzymłom. Teraz tak, robimy tak. Albo uczymy się Imperio, czyli kolejnego zakazanego tego, wiecie, abracadabra, albo idziemy z główną fabułą, bo te dwie dodatkowe to sobie potem tam zrobię. My tylko przycisko, bo w czwartej gęstości, bo to prawie jest tak samo. Które robimy? Że uczymy się dodatkowego abracadabra zakazanego, czy główna fabuła? Jak się poparzę, to będzie koniec z live'em. Nie poparzyłem się. Nie kopnął. Dobra, to może zaczniemy. O. Ale nie, czekajcie. Nie, bo tu jest jeszcze ten astronomiczne to pieruństwo. To ja bym to szafnął. Już się nawet walczyłem z trolem i prawie nic nie dostałem. Mam 7, nie wiedziałem czy widzicie, ale mam 17 tych soków wigenowych. Aha, dobra, czekajcie, tak. Jest! Skorpion, dokładnie. Dobra, mam prawie 27 poziom. Katakumbach, gdzie jest Hogsmeade? W jakich katakumbach? Kurde, tego posrało, że tu wywiało. Dobrze, że tutaj mam ten... kurde, byśmy lecieli 3 dni tam, nie? Aj, dobra, dobra, to lecimy. Sobota, godzina, start. A czekaj, abyście chcieli start na przykład 17, czy wam to pasowało, czy o 18? Bo czy jeżeli wcześniej zaczniemy, to dłużej będziemy... Wiecie jak to jest? Wcześniej zaczniemy, później skończymy. No, wstawaj. Więc dajcie proszę znać, jakbyście chcieli. Zagadki Merlina już zrobiłem 5. W sensie sobotni najpierw. Ja. Kurde, jakaś ściana mi tutaj. Czy od 17 byście chcieli na przykład. Bo wtedy dłużej on by był i byśmy więcej zrobili. Dobra. Kurde by się...
Good.
Tam powiedział, że jesteś włosy.
That relic you mentioned.
I believe one of Slytherin's students stumbled upon the relic during
A, bo on szuka
search
reliktu
for
właśnie, żeby uzdrowić tą
Catacomb. As I
Anię.
read in a report by the student, they weren't permitted to take it with them, so I must assume it's still here. As I mentioned earlier, this relic grants its
O,
owner the
no
power
właśnie,
to
ten
reverse
relikt
dark
odwraca
influences.
ciemną magię,
Catacomb, I
ciemne
have to
Mary.
find it. For Anne.
Tylko dla
I need to see
Ani.
her.
Bo to jest ani moje, ani twoje.
I'm ready to explore the catacomb.
Perfect. By the way, Ominous has been asking about you. You didn't tell him what we were doing, did you?
I didn't. I promise.
Good. Ominous would be livid.
No,
if
ten Optimus Prime się tam potem ciepie.
I'll be interested to compare what lies inside to what I've read about this catacomb.
Bo ja mogę zacząć od 17 nawet tego live'a chyba. No.
I'm sure that Faust
Tak do 22, tak 5 godzin, ale takie...
lose your nerve just yet.
Expelliarmus! Bombarda! At least now we know we're not alone in here.
Perhaps that was it. And the rest of the tomb will be insect.
Yeah, spiders aren't insects.
Don't start. We're here for a reason. I'd say opening them all is justified. It's really extraordinary.
Confringo!
Oczywiście Tymek miał rację, że to pomaga. Ten live od czego by się zaczął? No myślę, że no, na początku przedstawienie i tak dalej, konkursy. Co będzie i tak dalej. No i nie wiem, to się z Fredką muszę ugadać jeszcze, czy albo od The Final z Fredką, na przykład. No albo, nie wiem, od Wiedźmina, no co chcecie, albo od Pokemonów. Ja zrobię ankietę, co chcecie zacząć po prostu. No chyba, że coś chcecie teraz już ustalić, no to możecie dać propozycję, czy od Pokemonów, czy od Wiedźmina, czy może CS, czy The Finals. No gry z widzami wątpię, że były na samym początku. Tu idą. No dobra, no jeżeli tak chcecie, to nie ma problemu. No i tak tu nie pójdą, no dobra.
Confringo! Expelliarmus!
Może być mogę na coś świeżego na kanale. No dobra, no to zobaczymy. No to możemy się umówić. Tylko Fredka musi mi tutaj proszę, żeby potwierdzić rewest. Tu proszę, żeby mi Fredka potwierdziła to, że chce od 17 grać. To możemy tak się umówić. Ja już tu przygotuję. No jasne, że mogę. No i gitara, no i zaczniemy od tego. Dobrze, no to już jesteśmy umówieni. Super, cieszę się bardzo.
Now this is the sort of great room I want to be buried in.
Surrounded by grandeur.
Grandeur and then some. Even an altar with a pile of bones. Lovely.
Bones outside a sarcophagus. Seems odd. There's something hid by the altar.
Kurde, nie czytam co oni tam fanzolą.
Accio! Repulsor! Flipendo! Confringo! Bombarda! Expelliarmus!
A, widzieliście jaki unik?
Expelliarmus!
Pierony grane albo 18 dlaczego nie posadzi. Nie no, ale no to jak już z Fredką mówiliśmy 17, to jedziemy.
Looks like part of a student's diary. It mentions plans to return for the relic and conjuring barricades using bones.
Of course. The student's summary referenced a space beyond the Great Room, which means this can't be a dead end. I have the report if you want to have a look. Let's divide and
No,
conquer.
to tak to zrobimy.
You work on sorting out the bone barricades.
Idziemy,
I'll look
idziemy,
around and see what
idziemy.
we missed. Hold on to that diary entry. There may be more to it.
It does mention something else. It says their next assignment was learning the Imperius Curse.
Really? Interesting. We need to focus on moving beyond this room. But let me think for a moment.
I'd be interested to know what else the student discovered.
Have a look. Unfortunately, there's no
Mhm.
name on it. But I surmise if it was important enough for Slip, it's worthy of further study.
Mhm.
Of course.
Brilliant.
Nie muszę szukać barykad kości. Zadanie w katakumbach na przykład dobre wyniki, nowa wiedza o naszych przodkach, otwartymi oczy, od niego zignorować. W mniejszej nędzy za wielką ścianą pośród sarkofagów znajdowały się relikie o dziwnym kształcie. Dobra.
There's more to
Cześć Kostucha, siemanko.
bones stacked oddly on either side of the
Leave no stone unturned. Or in this case, no bone.
A.
Expelliarmus! Bombarda! We're in a tomb. I assume eerie sounds come with the territory. Accio! Wingardium Leviosa!
Właśnie, jak tam jazda po placu? Możesz się płasić. Jak chcesz.
You've done it. I knew we'd get through. I felt it in my bones.
Nice. Incendio! Protego!
Silent as a grave. Before we trudge on further, I've just realized something. The student's diary mentions the Imperius Curse. I wouldn't be surprised if we're going to need it here. It's an unforgivable, but useful when you're outnumbered. Places the victim completely under the caster's control. So, if you'd like to learn Imperio, I can teach you.
Uczymy się, nie?
Where did you learn the Imperius Curse?
I taught myself. Don't tell Ominous that I've told you. It's not exactly something I can brag about, but it may come in handy. I think
Topornie, ale
it's
jutro
right.
mam jeszcze 2 lekcje na placu, muszę się nauczyć dodać gazu na 30-metrowym placu. No, ja wiem, to się na początku boisz, ale będzie dobrze.
Shouldn't I know more about what the curse entails?
Remember the blasting curse? Same idea, except when it comes to unforgivable curses, your intention has to be clear. You have to mean it.
Dobra, nauczymy się.
Nice to know the spell.
I couldn't agree more. A spell that could save your life shouldn't be unforgivable. You have a lot at stake. You have an ability that evidently no one's seen for centuries. Focus your wand movement. It's not an easy spell to master. There we go. Something troubling ahead. Be on your guard.
Expelliarmus! Bombarda! Confringo! Revelio!
Powiem ci. Na razie na przegrałem Niki Lauda, nigdy chyba nie będę. Jak powiedział mój znajomy instruktor, wyłącz bodźce, przez które się stresujesz, głowę do góry zobaczysz. Tak, tak, dokładnie. Ja zdałem prawo jazdy wtedy, kiedy przestałem się stresować. Wiem, że to może nie jest jakieś wielkie odkrycie, ale to naprawdę jest...
Another barricade. Considering how well you did on the last one, this should be a cinch.
Warto, warto.
How gracious of you.
I try.
Accio!
That worked. Keep going.
Confringo! Expelliarmus! Bombarda! Accio! Wingardium Leviosa! Accio! Wingardium Leviosa! Accio! Wingardium Leviosa!
Federico bez okularia, no dobrze, 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 niech będzie.
You are head and shoulders above these bones. Nicely done.
A powiem ci, Kosta, co czytam, chyba każdego brali na głęboką wodę od razu.
I see why Slytherin's student was so entranced with this place.
Confringo! Bombarda! Defender! Expelliarmus! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Defender! Bolso! Accio! Confringo!
Ale...
Expelliarmus! Protego! Defender!
No jak kurde może zrobiłem unik tego. Chyba nie co tam radzi.
For a moment there, I thought that'd never end.
A potem w twojej głowie pioruna dałem ten knefel. Dokładnie, tak było. O, fajnie.
Revelio. Dead end. Lovely. All that for nothing.
Hold on, don't give up yet.
Accio.
Relik aż kipi od energii. Jego możliwości pomogą nie tylko do czarów, ale też całemu światu. Ale mroczna ofiara, która pozwoli zwalić jego potencjał, może być wielka, dopóki nie dowiemy się coś więcej. Proszę, nie zabieraj reliktu.
Sebastian, the relic. Look. Could it be?
Ta muzyczka. No dobra.
The note and rendition of the relic. It matches. This must be where the student left the relic.
I can't believe it. After all this, it lines up. We've really found it.
What do you suppose is meant by the dark sacrifice required to realize the relic's potential?
I have no idea. But we're here for the relic.
Powinniśmy zostawić ten relik w
The
spokoju.
note advises to leave the relic alone.
I assure you, we were meant to find this. For Anne's sake. I'm taking it. Let's get to Feldcroft. I must keep this relic secret. Especially from my uncle.
Już go wziął? Już koniec, koniec.
Is that ominous?
No właśnie, co on tu robi?
Ominous. The sounds we kept hearing. It was you.
You gave me no choice. I had to follow you. Sebastian, please, leave the relic alone. We can find another way to help Anne.
I'm sorry, Ominous, but I'm taking it.
No, you're not. If you won't put it back, then I will.
Hold on, both of you. Sebastian, please, take a step back.
Fine. But Ominous knows. I won't step back from a fight.
Can't believe this.
Muszę Omnimusa przekonać.
How much did you hear?
Everything. I was glad to hear you tell Sebastian to leave the relic. We need to stand together. Convince Sebastian this is wrong.
And if nothing will change his mind?
Something has to. I need your help.
You're right. This seems
Dobra, jesteśmy za ślepym.
Sebastian realizes.
Bo Optimus się ładnie tutaj
Don't
robi.
allow him to leave here with the relic.
I do think we should talk to him, but I fear we won't stop him from taking the relic.
What are you suggesting?
I'm suggesting we negotiate. We allow Sebastian to leave with the relic under one condition. After this,
No ale on już się tak, oni są już
I
tak
think
ten.
that's what we agreed to in the scriptorium.
No właśnie.
Taken for a fool.
No, ma rację, no.
ominous.
Dobra, on był grzybem, ale chyba jest
Friendship intact.
Optimus jest chyba jest jednym z najbardziej rozsądnych ludzi tutaj ogólnie.
If I trust him on this, I'm trusting you too. The dark arts seem harmless until it's too late. Go then. Leave with the relic. I'll not say a word more. I hope I don't regret this.
Sebastian, we're ready.
To nie rzućcie go w ogóle.
I haven't changed my mind.
Ominous has. Let's go.
What? Ominous?
I'll explain on the way. Come on.
Incendio! Confringo! Defender! Bombarda!
Cześć Tymek! No trochę dostałem, ale... Otwieram jak ja to włożę. Niezidentyfikowany przedmiot. Odzienia. Dobra. Jedziemy dzisiaj ze wszystkim. O, soki wigenowe. No, to nic nie ma.
What happened back there?
Ominous and I found a compromise.
To jest najszybszy transport, patrzcie to.
I told him we ought to give you this chance, that the relic is too important to ignore.
There has to be more to it than that. Tell me.
We agreed on what was needed, Sebastian. You have my word.
Rebellion. I never wanted to keep all this from Ominous. Stand. And I didn't want to worry him all over again.
Dobra. Kapelusz stracha na wróble. Nie no, warto było przyjść tu. O, dziękuję, bardzo mi miło, Tymek. Bardzo mi miło. Dobra, koniec. Tam u nas, no ja dzisiaj kontynuowałem Mychu Warta, jeśli chodzi o Hogwarts Legacy. Jedziemy z główną fabułą. Dużo bardzo dodatkowych rzeczy robiłem.
Ominous wouldn't even acknowledge me. That's not like him.
He was troubled, Sebastian. Even though we agreed to it all, it's been a lot to take in.
I
Jak powiedziałem.
thought he understood. He knew we couldn't give up. All of this is too important. For Anne. Quietly now. Dracus Totalis. Confringo. Bombarda.
Niedługo startuję z Warrior Bitwy. No jak chcę to, jak to skończę, to na pewno, ale będę się starał. A, będzie live od 17, jednak, bo zaczniemy sobotę od The Finals. Więc zapraszam serdecznie. No ja się naprawdę próbuję uwijać jak pieron, musicie mi uwierzyć.
Confringo! Revelio! Confringo! Revelio! Confringo! Revelio!
Te dwa, dobra.
Confringo! Revelio! Confringo!
Jej. Bo czym więcej tych Merlina zrobię, tym więcej mam placów Pukieltasi. A ja możecie... Aha, nie, musimy biec, dobra.
When we get to Felcroft, I'd rather Anne not know what had to be done to get this relic. She thinks like ominous. It'd only upset her. This isn't... What is it? Smoke, over there, by the hamlet. Feldcroft's in trouble. They're under attack.
Let's hurry.
To pewnie jest ta krwawa ofiara, haha.
I've been fighting since you called.
Ciężary. O, udało się.
Boy! What have you done?
Saved my sister.
With an unforgivable curse. From that damned book, no doubt. Your father would be ashamed. You've gone too far, Sebastian. Stay away from her. From all of us.
What did my uncle expect me to do?
A, Jezus, Darkusie.
That goblin was going to kill her.
There was little time to react, but it was an unforgivable curse.
I acted in the moment. That's all. I
Tak,
shall
działanie
make my
po
uncle
skutku w
see
chwili,
reason.
brawo.
He cannot banish me from my own home, from my sister.
It might be best to let him calm down a while.
No tak, tak.
May I speak to him? Perhaps I can help to ease the tension a bit.
You may be right. Very well. Probably best if I get away from here for a while.
Dobra, to idź tam, no. O, tam jest ten, czekajcie. Wigenowy jest na basaczek, no idziemy do niego. Rysiu!
Pardon me, Mr. Sallow.
What Sebastian did was inexcusable. You cannot possibly be about to defend him.
Miałem inne za ten temat, ale cóż, zaklęcie niewybaczalne, dokładnie.
Sebastian acted rashly, but he acted out of instinct to save Anne.
Out of instinct? With an unforgivable curse? This family does not resort to using dark magic even against our enemies. What Sebastian did cannot be undone. That you are defending Sebastian's behavior at all tells me everything I need to know. You are as guilty as he is.
Dokładnie, brawo.
Sebastian is to come nowhere near Feldcroft, nowhere near Anne. Unforgivable curses are so named.
Jak będziesz tak wszystkich ludzi traktować, to się nie dziwię, że sam siedzisz w domu.
Either of you continues down this path. If either of you uses dark magic, I will notify the
Myślę, że laska będzie trafić z drugiej strony, dokładnie. I że pocałunek Dementora dostaną nie w usta. Dobra, jedziemy z główną fabułą. Misję, co my tu mamy? Zrobimy to. Boję się, że... No dobra, już to jest. Przeczytałeś to już to przeczytałem. Gdzie jest ten grzyb? Noż kurde, nie to tu nacisnąłem, co chciałem. No i tak to się dzieje, tak to się dzieje, moi drodzy. Nie pójdę tylko co innego na 3 litery donosiciel. Nie ten knefel, dokładnie. Dobra, to idziemy. No właśnie, on powiedział przed, sorry, nie ten knefel nacisnąłem. Dobrze.
I miss going to Matt. Cheering everyone on was magnificent. Hello there.
Hello there, General Kenobi.
You saying that you speak gobbledygook?
I did. I mean, I do. Speak it. Is this to do with the goblin I saw you with in Hogsmeade?
A to jest ten!
His name is Lodgok. We could use your help with something. He's waiting for me near a goblin mine. Would you be willing to help?
Of course. How exciting. I mean, well, might this be dangerous?
I think he simply wants to show me something that involves gobbledygook. If it helps, he's a friend of Sorona's.
Good to hear. Good to hear. If Sirona trusts him, then I feel much better.
Lord Gok is waiting. Should we go?
Of course. I just want to check the pronunciation of a couple of key terms first. So I will meet you there.
Dobra, da się odmaję. Dobra. No kurde, najpierw trzeba było iść tutaj, teraz znowu trzeba wracać. Pirona, nie mógł do niego zadzwonić jak cywilizowany człowiek, ja nie wiem. Powiedzieć, słuchaj Stasiek, pójdź sam, bo klochomy po mandaryńsku i musimy... Wiesz, uważać rosół, wiesz o co chodzi. Musimy nawinąć nudle. Musimy łostrugać marchewa. Dobra, mniejsza z tym. Uważać nóżki. Dobra, już. To był przepis oczywiście na zupę. Na rosół. Proszę mi tutaj tu nic nie inseminować.
Oh, here's a pleasant surprise.
Godaj z nim.
A friend who speaks gobbledygook is meeting us. Before he arrives, perhaps you could tell me why we're here?
Of course. Unfortunately, presenting Ranrock with the Helmet of Urtkot did not have the effect I'd hoped. Because he knew the details surrounding its plunder, he presumed I'd had help from a witch or wizard in retrieving it.
Ja sobie dodałem.
How else did he expect Goblinkind to get the helmet back? Seems he has no interest in making amends with you.
I'm afraid we do not have the luxury of rational expectation when it comes to Ranrock. Damn Bragbor and his blasted journals.
Bragbor?
An ancestor of Ranrock's, renowned metal worker. If we are to work together, I suppose I must tell you more. Not long ago, Ranrock sent me to collect a recently unearthed set of Bragbor's journals. They described repositories that Bragbor had been commissioned to build for a group of witches and wizards.
What do you mean, repositories?
Large
Repositories, nie wiedziałem, że to są skarby.
receptacles crafted from goblin metal. Ranrock recruited others to help me locate the repositories. We were to search anywhere that was connected to 5 names mentioned in the journals: Rackham, Fitzgerald, Bakar, Morganach, and Rookwood.
Rookwood Castle.
That is where we began our search.
Why does Ranrock care so much about these repositories?
He cares about what they contain. For centuries, wizards have refused to share their magical knowledge with goblins. Your kind will not even let us carry wands. Thus, many goblins, myself included, have spent our lives mistrusting wizard kind. Ranrock was convinced that the repositories contained a magical power that wizards wanted to keep for themselves. He is determined to take it for goblin kind. But
Here
he's...
comes my friend Armit. Probably best to continue our conversation later.
Greetings, Lord Gok. It is an honor, sir.
You speak gobbledygook.
Oh, Bacalio.
Enough. Please do not tell me that was meant to be gobbledygook.
Well, yes. Perhaps my pronunciation was a bit off. I imagine certain dialects differ.
Pronunciation is not the issue. I barely recognize that as language. I trust you can read gobbledygook better than you can
Ja też tak
I
potrafię.
can, Sir Lord Gok.
Just Lodgok. Thankfully, we only need someone who can decipher written plans, since I cannot join you in the mine.
What written plans? And why can't you come with us?
Nie rób Glimera.
Idea of what Ranrock knows or is plotting. I suspect a careless loyalist may have left plans behind. And I'm unable to join you because I cannot risk anyone reporting my presence to Ranrock. All you need to do is not be seen, either by the eye above the enchanted door or a loitering loyalist.
Okej, czyli musimy... ten...
Amit and I can do this.
I will await your return. I shall see you soon.
Ojej, ale mi się odbija, przepraszam. Co tu się dzieje? Jak tam, Tymek, co następnego? Powiedz mi, co następnego tym...
Door is looking at us.
A, to są jak te...
Yes, of course.
Jak ta krzynia. Dobra, to jedziemy.
Books so rarely prepare one for reality. A real goblin mine. It's even grander than I had expected.
Miałem być cicho, nie?
Revelio.
I cannot believe I met a goblin.
Let's just learn what we can and get out.
Look at this lift. Impressive workmanship for so simple a device.
Impressive workmanship aside, it's the only way forward.
Ale mi się przypomniała znowu kopalnia w Gatowórze.
I still can't believe we're inside a real goblin
No
mine.
zamknij... Dobra, już... O. O, jeszcze coś jest.
I've read about mines like this, but seeing one is something else altogether.
Keep your wits about you, Amit. I'll get you through this mine.
Co tak kapie? A.
Watch your step round here. Tell yourself if you're there.
Dobra, powinien zrobić to po cichu.
Matter of time till Ranrock sets things right. Afraid to fight? Watch your step round here.
That was a little more than I'm used to.
I'll get us through here safely, Amit. You have my word. We're being watched by a door. Revelio. We won't get through as long as we can see by that eye. Accio. Deposit. Tremendo.
Bardzo mi się podoba, jak to oko nie wie, co się dzieje i tak ten... Jak się rusza, to mi się zawsze podoba w tej grze.
It's set.
I feel like a character from one of the adventure books I read during the summer holidays.
Let's take a look around, Amit. See if we can find any plans.
Bound to be plans around here somewhere. A schematic. They're building something. I can't quite make it out. Curious. There must be more notes around here. What could they be building?
Revelio. Incendio.
Będę cicho, no niemożliwe. A myślałem, że już nie umiesz.
Revelio.
Dobra. Idziemy tam, godzinka minęła. Kurde, mam nadzieję, że się wyrobię. A rozwalimy ich.
Who's there? Patricius Totalus.
Dzięki ulepszonemu Petrificus Totalus mogę zamrażać ich obydwu naraz.
Fascinating to see gobbledygook written in a goblin hand. The flourishes are extraordinary. Let me know if you see any more plans or schematics. We can't return to Lodgok empty-headed.
No, głowami. A z pustymi rękoma. Aha, głowami, żeby czegoś się nauczyć chyba, nie? O to chodziło. Dobra, idziemy dalej. O, biegniemy ze szczurem. Jerońskie szczury.
If I'm translating this correctly, and I think that I am, they're building something rather large. But what? I will get to the bottom of what they've been building down here.
Patricius Totalus. Feels though I'm not alone. Oh, little moon calf. Now you're here somewhere. Rather. Someone's been taking out last feet. Won't get away with that. That was meant for me.
Really is too much.
To się nie udało zrobić cicho.
Close. I found a
Another schematic. Another
Zostaw
one.
parszywka.
This place is more complex than I had
No w sumie ja tego szczura, no. Zapomniałem, bo bardziej mi się skojarzy z Ratatouille niż...
Revelio.
Tam są jeszcze schody, idziemy. Ty pierwszy raz pokazujesz kobiecie fiflaka. Mój parszywek jest paskudny, co nie? Ron 2000. Dokładnie. Parszywek. No przepchniesz tą karatę, czy co? Cześć Adik. Witam cię serdecznie.
Revelio. Compulso. Bombarda.
Bombarda się nie przyda. O. Dawajemy.
Bombarda. Confringo. Expelliarmus. Bombarda. Accio. Compulso. Flipendo. Compulso. Flipendo. Accio. Incendio.
Co to jeszcze było? Te żółte.
Levioso. Glacius. Arresto momentum. I'm quite good at sneaking about. You'll see.
Parszywych 9 miesięcy później to zgrytek. Dokładnie, bo to był pierwotny zamiar swój. Rolnik na początku wiedziała, jak będzie parszywych wyglądał. Daj mu skarpetę, dam mu, dam. No i jak ja mam to po cichu zrobić? Ryzyko 2, nie? Czy więcej? Jak Niemca po kasku.
What's going on? Little calm. Far from home. Where did they go?
Dobra. Skierowanie jedno miejsce. Ale jeżeli ja sobie przebiegnę. No i tu widać, że tu nie mogą wejść.
Have yourself. Look at that.
Kurde, ten chłopcze... On sobie pomiędzy nimi wszedł, nie? Co za grzyb.
Many of them are there.
That should be the last of them, Amit.
Dobra, udało się. Udało się. A, mam max 25 eliksiru, już więcej nie mogę. Jestem za dobry w tą grę.
I'm quite good at sneaking about. You'll see.
Incendio. Accio.
This is not good. They're building enormous...
Świdry, większość zakopania może pomieścić. Mhm.
Let's get out of here and tell Lodgok what we found.
A jedziemy. A się jak teleportował,
I
te.
need a moment to catch my breath. This was more than I bargained for.
I'm glad you came with me, Amit. Now that we know what they're up to, we can get out of here. Hello, Hamura.
O, ale Homora. Pierwszy raz mi się przydał Alohomora drugiego poziomu. Myślałem, że mnie w kafloku zamknęli, na pewno.
Revelio. We're almost out of here, Amit. Look, the lift.
A welcome sight indeed.
Lift? A nie, a elevator to nie była winda. O? Tak było niezmyślne. A tu wiro pali. A lift też był jako winda? Myślałem, że elevator. No dobra. Ja też nie jestem złotym dzieckiem języka angielskiego.
What just happened?
That wasn't so bad, was it?
It was. It really was. I'm afraid I've had enough adventure for one day. For a lifetime, perhaps.
Thank you, Amit. I couldn't have done it without you. Now, if you don't mind, I'd like to have a word with
Zależy to
Lodgok.
brytyjski, lift też. No tak,
I'll
tak,
leave you
okej.
to
No
it.
wiem,
Your
ale...
Goblin secrets are safe
Spoko.
with me, but I get to write the book about this escapade someday. Without further ado, adieu.
Aciu, to jest... To jest tak onomatopeja kichania. Aciu. Lecisz, robi lejki. No to na razie, Temek, dzięki, że byłeś. Cześć.
Enormous drills. We found their plans. Ranrock must be searching for the repositories.
I fear you are correct. Other than Rookwood Castle, however, I do not know where else he plans to search.
I've been wondering about something else you said before we entered the mine.
Yes?
If you share Ranrock's views, then why are you helping me?
I expected Rookwood Castle to be deserted when I arrived to begin my search. So was surprised to find a witch there who had set up a sort of improvised research site. She was studying something so intently that she almost didn't notice me. When she looked up, I thought she would react with fear or disdain,
Mhm.
but instead she did something that I will never forget. Without a moment
Zjadła
of
chodzionę,
hesitation,
nie no.
she smiled and asked me to sit with her. She told me that she was a researcher and showed me a small, oddly shaped container with a strange symbol on it. She was certain it was made of goblin metal, but was unable to open it. She wanted to work together.
Miriam,
Yes. But how did you...
Professor Fig's wife. He told me of her research, and I know of the container.
Ah. The reverence with which she talked of goblins and their intelligence and skill, it caught me entirely off guard. I'd never been treated with such respect by a witch or wizard. So, to my surprise, I let her study the container if she would allow me to search the castle on my own. We parted ways, with her promising to share what she'd learned. More of Ranrock's recruits arrived, and we began to dig, eventually locating the first repository. Ranrock was thrilled with our discovery, but furious when I told him about Miriam. Berated me for trusting a witch, and I heard she'd been killed.
You think Ranrock murdered her?
I don't want to believe it, but I don't know.
Gobliny głównie się kojarzyły z mechami, dokładnie.
I had seen how the power from the repositories was transforming Ranrock, transforming all of them. I could no longer remain a part of it.
Thank you, Lodgok, for telling me this.
I tell you all of this so that you understand what is at stake. Ranrock never found
Nie ze
more of
sreberkiem na
Bragbor
kanapki,
challenges,
dokładnie.
but the ones he did find suggest that Bragbor at some point built a repository far greater in size than the one beneath Rookwood Castle. What you've discovered here today worries me deeply. If Ranrock learns of the location of that repository, I fear we shall be
Ale do tego, że
lost in
Warcraft.
thought.
No wiem. Dużo grałem w Warcrafta.
I will find out what Ranrock knows. Watch for my owl.
Oila, a Aul to jest podobnie, bo Oila też jest po śląsku sowa. No tak samo po niemiecku, nie? Jest blisko. Dobra, mamy już
See
coś
what's up
zrobić.
your sleeve this time, Merlin.
Za mało mamy, no co ty gadasz, jakie pierństwo. Dobra, następna misja, jedziemy główną. Wzruszająca to była mowa, zapomnę ją. Dzień kopalni. Ta kopalnia w pieruny daleko. To jest nikczemny wróg i twardy i przebiegły. Prawie jak mój przeciwnik. Myśleliście, że zermuje? Otóż nie. A, tata jest wredna. Może idziemy na tego twardego przeciwnika, co? No kurde, ląduj pacanie. No, idziemy na twardego przeciwnika. Prawie jak mój ojczysty porusznik. To mi, takie to mi się podoba, że jest. Oszalały błotoryj. Co, to było to wyzwanie? Bawełnoryj błoto trawiaste. Dokładnie. Fajne te jaszczurki, nie? No. Mi się też podobają. Nie, bo ja wam też chcę pokazać, oprócz tych głównych fabuł, też coś właśnie pobocznego, co robię w międzyczasie. Zajmuje dużo więcej czasu. O, i na cmentarzu, bardzo fajnie, bardzo miło, to właśnie, tu chcieliśmy się spotkać.
I thought my owl might pique your interest.
A, właśnie tam.
I came as soon as I could.
Na pewno.
So preoccupied by all that happened with Ominous in the catacomb, not to mention my uncle's reaction, that I'd almost forgotten what it was that struck me about that triptych. This is the view painted on the canvas that was left on it.
That's incredible. You know this area well.
And while I was waiting for
Więc ja
I
rozumiem,
scouted
pokoju
around
odkryłem w
and
pobliżu
discovered
kopalnię.
an abandoned mine nearby, surrounded by Ranrock's loyalists.
Do you think there's a connection to the triptych?
I've no idea, but perhaps they're searching it, the way they did Rookwood Castle and Isidora's Manor. How do we want to handle this?
Dobra,
To see what they're doing, but let's not draw their attention.
Very well.
And I still have that rune symbol we found on the triptych. If there is a connection, I suspect we'll see that symbol again.
dobra, jedziemy.
After you.
There they are up ahead.
I'll let you lead.
I'll be quieter than no witch or wizard will be spared. No one enters this mine.
No one, it is mine. Ja mogę iść też do dubbingu takiego.
Blood.
Prawie żeby jak w Star Warsach, dokładnie. Pójdą na opuszczoną kopalnię, a tam nagle Rada Grubioży znikąd. Dokładnie, i związkowcy. Bardzo miło, że oni tak chodzą dziwnie. I naokoło, bardzo mi się to podoba.
What's that? Who's there?
Wiecie, Gordek mnie zasłania. Tak samo jak ja, tylko jeden dubbing, jaki mogę zrobić, to dubbing durszt. Dokładnie. O kurde, łazi. Ciemne. Dun. Kurde, fajnie, chciałem zrobić taką muzyczkę, ale nie mogę, hehe. Ja to jeszcze mogę znaleźć nic, bo jak tam wykurzyłem.
It's going well.
We make a good team.
We do at that.
Once again,
Jesteśmy wspaniałym teamem.
all be discreet.
Też to lubię w tych miejscach, dokładnie. Nie wiem po co je rozwalam, chociaż nie muszę. Kurde, ale ziomek, no gwizdać to jak nie umiesz, to nie gwizdź.
You ought to cut back on pudding. Someone there.
No ja, akurat się tak rozstawiają.
Feel as though I'm not alone.
No nie. Chciałem tam tego jeszcze.
Those
strzelić.
My family worked in the mines at one time or other.
I zabiję jednym razem.
Fun is a relative term.
It is. And that was relatively fun.
Revelio.
Ja jakiegoś wydaje Puccina. O Jeruna. No, to było ciekawe. Jutro będzie, nie, w sobotę będzie taki ten, że po prostu będzie udawać, jakie głosy wydają poszczególne Pokemony. Co? To taki zrobimy konkurs.
I should tell you. Rumor is this mine was
Myślę, że będziecie
long ago
zachwyceni.
due to an infestation of spiders.
Dobra. Górujące kopalnie. Jedziemy na kopalnię. Jedziemy.
For better or for worse, we're in.
Ah, wouldn't mind a plum job at Gringotts. Suit me, sitting around all day. Mind you, I suppose it could get a bit boring. There's a grapple when you are. Why can't I hit you? I hate that!
Chciałem zrobić te pulso właśnie, że ten, tylko mi nie uznało mi to.
It was closed after
Że wiecie, że kogoś
Now I see
wyrzucę. No i mamy rady grubieży, dokładnie. To było dwóch co stało w tym. No i padło, słuchajcie, najpierw to trzeba golonka i
why. For even
16
spider
piw.
to prey on.
Nie ma jak być tym
This day's gone on too long.
Snake 7, nie?
Wait a moment. Hello? Afraid to fight.
Leviosa.
I'll find you.
Nacisnąłem Q!
Where did they go? Rather unwise. Just here.
O kurde, są bliżej. Niemieckie kopalnie. No niby dwa, ale zawsze rada, no dokładnie. Radzić to się mogą zawsze.
Who's there? You know you're here.
A, bajem.
Rat this out. No sooner.
How many Bunbox loyalists are in here?
Too many. They definitely think there's something here they want.
A bajemy. A nie wiem, że to przesunę.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Jak to znowu będzie to, że nie będzie mógł skoczyć tak jak wtedy, to myślałem, że szlak trafi.
It's no wonder spiders give people goosebumps.
Could be the hairy legs, or the soulless eyes, or the venomous fangs, or any number of endearing qualities, really.
Tak, na bank tak speedrunują.
Smashing.
Should have thought to conjure stairs.
Na bank tak speedrunnerzy się tym poruszają. Czekaj, dobra. Gniazda wyposażenia są pełne. Dobra, co to mamy? Dobra, to co można łebie. To co można. W godzinie to ludzie potrafią GTA przejść, no. No to ja tej gry nie przechodzę w godzinę, na pewno. Już gram jest 24 godziny w tą grę. Naprawdę chyba sobie wziąłem za dużą grę. Taka jedna duża gra na wszystkie te to by było git, wam powiem. Wszystkie te przejścia, ale dwie typu właśnie Wiedźmin i to i Hogwarts Legacy to jest troszeczkę chyba za dużo, wiecie? Już będę wiedział następny raz, że no. Ale pewnie nie by... Czy to? Byłem do jakoś 16 sekund. A widziałem to.
Quieter than a juggernaut.
No to było, no to był fest ten. Fest boss, nie?
Professor Hecat would be proud.
Jakieś pieruństwo mnie ten. Polak przed GTA San Andreas w minus 122 cofnął się wcześniej 1900, dokładnie. Na YouTube jest filmik z tego. Dobra, to co to potem poszukamy. No patrz, no mnie blokuje, frajer, no. Dobra, nie idziemy tam. Brawo, Fred, ty tutaj no jesteś. Dobra, idziemy. Jak ktoś ma arachnofobię, to...
I think we're going to be a bit distracted from runes for a moment.
An unwelcome distraction.
We have another fight on our hands.
Why am I not surprised?
I've never seen a sword.
Wiecie, ja sobie to zapiszę. Tutaj mam 40% gry już. I 25 godzin grania. Kaka Prodek. A, to wiem co. Tak, to widziałem.
Why is a grapple you are? One less human to worry about. It's
To zrobiłem unik, kurde, ty baranie. Ja to zarąbałem. Lubię kończyć bombardą. Teraz było 300. Ostatnio miałem lekkie problemy. Urociłem materiał, mam. Brawo. Jutro dostaniesz surówkę. No spokojnie. Znaczy, ja wiem, że to mówisz, że piszesz do Tymka, ale wspieram. O to chodzi.
We can have a look around in peace.
Revelio. Expelliarmus. Confringo.
Wasn't expecting that.
Przewróć widzimy za mgłę i tak dalej. Dobra.
What do you have there?
Spis o, fajna mietła.
Hopefully it will help us unravel more of this mystery.
Revelio.
Co my tu jeszcze mamy?
Sebastian, I think I found something. A canvas piece.
Brilliant. Our efforts weren't in vain after all. Still,
Nie, to ja nie będę bał.
this place feels odd.
Confringo. Revelio. Levioso. Glacius. Arresto momentum.
Czekaj, czekaj.
Accio. Repulso. Flipendo. Defendo. Confringo. Expelliarmus. Bombarda.
No ma żadny z tych.
Revelio.
Idź do Sebastiana. Gdzie jest kurde Sebastian? Sebastian już nie istnieje i bawmy się.
Accio. Wingardium Leviosa.
clear out these spider webs. Always seem to be in the
Tu
way.
jesteś, kurde, no chopa minęło jak 4 razy.
To find this bit of canvas, we can probably assume that Isadora Morganark was here.
She seems to have been everywhere.
But if she was using the Undercroft and the cellar beneath her manor in Feldcroft, why would she create this space?
And why hide it behind cryptic rune symbols and ancient magic that no one but you could see?
No, dobre
Isadora
pytanie.
and Percival Rackham, another of the keepers, could see traces of
Ślady,
ancient magic too.
ślady starożytnej magii, to jest
I haven't heard his name before.
staro kukurydza.
Of the memories I've seen,
Są stare kolby i
I
pierogi.
think he and Isadora saw eye to eye on how this magic
Fasolum.
could be used.
This is all rather baffling. Let's take the canvas back to the triptych. Perhaps
Dobra.
the answers are there. This place is odd, to be sure, but I'm fascinated by it. Now, for the
A, fajnie, a ja w to rąbię wszystkim, co się da, nie? A to trzeba było F nacisnąć. Dobra, jedziemy dalej, jedziemy dalej. Chcemy się Awady nauczyć jeszcze dzisiaj?
proof.
It has to fit. Please tell me you recognize the location in this bit of canvas.
The good news is I do, in fact.
And the bad news?
We're in for more trouble.
Dawaj, dobra, jedziemy.
Ranrock has taken over a huge mine in the surrounding area. Morinweem has suffered for it. It's as bad as Feldcroft's become. Should we head there now?
Dobrze,
We
dobrze.
should wait.
Why?
All this time, we've been a step behind Ranrock. I may know someone who could help us get ahead.
Who is that?
Ty ktoś poprosił anonimowy.
Knows Ranrock personally. They asked me not to mention their name to anyone.
A goblin? Tell me I'm wrong. You know
Padre,
the
się
goblins
mylisz.
cursed my sister to shut her up. Said she should be seen and not heard.
I do, but not all goblins are...
Not all goblins what? Have you forgotten Feldcroft? Have you forgotten the mine we just went through?
No, Sebastian, I haven't.
I usuń cały kampus naraz, nie ma problemu.
Someone so ignorant.
Perhaps your uncle was right about you. You don't know when to stop.
Oh, I do know when to stop. Unbelievable.
Rzeczywiście, nie wiedział kiedy odpuścić. Widzieliście co on teraz odwalił? Chyba to wiem kiedy odpuścić i mugiry latają także hit. Dobra. Razem w krypcie o Sebastianem mówi się mama, to potem zrobimy. No to jedziemy z tym.
News. I believe my next broom upgrade to be even more impressive than the last. Come by Spintwitches as soon as you can.
Did you speak with my uncle?
O teraz.
I wish I had better news about your uncle and Anne.
Don't think I've forgotten about your goblin friend. I haven't. But I appreciate you setting our earlier discussion aside for now. Well, what did he say?
I'm afraid...
Kiedy nie wiedział, w którą stronę miał do ciebie podejść dokładnie.
Nor Anne.
I had to stop that goblin from killing my sister. He had no right to banish me from my own twin. If he thinks banishing me means I'm going to give up on Anne, he's sorely mistaken.
He also said he cannot excuse the use of dark magic in any form, and that if he hears of either of us using it, he'll go straight to Professor Black.
Huh? That relic, dark magic or not, is the key to saving Anne. To reverse that curse. I will not lose Anne for good.
Odkrycie to już na łeb padło. No już ewidentnie, nie?
She'll know that we need to meet.
I'm afraid I don't follow.
Nothing, just a thought. Now I'm more determined than ever to learn what power that relic has.
What did you mean you'd send Anne a crest so that she'd know to meet you?
We just lost our parents, and we were packing up to go and live with Solomon. We couldn't take everything. She was carefully organizing her prized possessions, a box of artifacts she'd collected to do with our family. Jewelry, cards, old photographs. She got to her favorite, a handmade crest, and without a second thought she handed it to me. This will keep you safe, she said. It holds no enchantment, but I've kept it with me since. That's how I can reach Anne. I'll get the crest to her with plans to meet.
Be careful, Sebastian. Your uncle could intercept it. We'll be expelled.
Even if Ominous is upset with us, He has no love lost for his family. He'd use their connections to the headmaster if we needed his help.
Dobra,
I
jedziemy.
shall wait to hear from you then.
Thank you. I very much appreciate you standing by me through all of this. I'll send you an hour when I have news.
No to wysłaj tą sowę, bo ja biegniemy za nim. On wie kiedy odpuścić. Patrzcie jak umiety. Tak, większość Blacków miała problemy nerwowe, a ten kompletnie ma problemy. To jest się... Gdy grasz na weselu w krzesełka i nie chcesz przegrać. On się szykuje na ciulanie, które kółko robi. No. Patrz jak nim miota już. Ale on syknie tak. Wiesz, split bez tego typu sprawy, czekajcie.
Deserve that.
Jezu, opanował się w końcu. Dobra, czyli co, musimy iść tu. I wyłazimy. Mistrz Berka. On włączył Ultra Instynkt. Więc on wyłazi i patrzy się w okno, nie? Teraz zrobimy tak. Przeczekamy jeden dzień. Czy coś się stanie, czy nie? A, to jest jeszcze jakaś dodatkowa. Co potem zrobię dodatkową misję? I tu jeszcze raz zrobimy ten, poczekamy i jedziemy. Ale go miotało. Dobra, co my tu jeszcze mamy? Kup od lepsze mioty, to potem... Rozmowa z dyrektorką.
I can't believe we found ourselves trapped in that scriptorium. Never again. Luke and Brattleby must have nearly wet themselves.
Fills our stone off.
Z God of War przewrót w przód, pamiętajcie.
It's a relief to finally have an answer as to why that portrait.
Zostaw to.
If it seems I'm on.
Tylko pewnie trzymał po koncercie jak Multiego. Umie to prowadzi, dobra.
Good on you for stopping that. Revelio.
Ja wszystkich tych zamków nie otwieram. Dopóki ten, wiecie... Potem będę szukał tego księżycowego pieruństwa, to wtedy... Plecak pełen cashu, wypełniony aż po brzegi. Aha. Oczywiście. Otwieraj. Te Frela, słuchaj. Tam zawrzyj pysk, słuchaj.
Hello, Professor. I have news. The goblins are looking for something. Another repository. They've built drills to help with their search.
Most troubling.
Are these repositories like the broken container I found at Rookwood Castle?
They are. I fear we have no time.
Wszyscy gadają cały czas, że nie ma czasu do stracenia i se siedzą i patrzą. Złej.
The next trial is fairly nearby.
It's Hogwarts.
As you know, I was headmistress in my time. My portrait hangs in the headmaster's office. In fact, I witnessed Professor Black learn of your arrival. And I'll confess that I wondered about you.
Wait, is the next trial in the headmaster's office?
It is. I had hoped that when the time came, the occupant of that office would be of help to us. Unfortunately, this headmaster seems wildly unconcerned with anything but himself. You'll need to access the office while he's away.
I understand. Very well.
Co on ma Czy on ma igły w
I shall
tym?
meet you in my portrait there. Until then.
On ma igły w tym, w kapeluszu, teraz jak zauważył. Auto pędzi, samo zmienia biegi, dokładnie. Co już. Mogłem automata zamiast manualne wybrać, taki głupi. Dokładnie, tak było.
How do I gain access to the headmaster's office? Perhaps Professor Fig will know what to do.
Dobra, lecimy. Chcemy do Figa. Pewnie nam pokaże Figę. Dobra, już idziemy dalej. I musiałem już głos nagrać do 2 shotów. Spokojnie, nie ma problemu. Aha, bo on tu nie chce biegać, tak. Otwieraj to pierunie. O. Czekaj, dobra. Dzięki za lajki, komentarze pod filmami. Serdecznie polecam.
I hope Professor Fig, the keepers have shown me where the next trial is.
Has something changed?
Lodgok and I have learned that the goblins are searching for another repository, like the one we saw at Rookwood Castle. And I discovered that they're building massive drills to help in their search. Professor Fitzgerald seemed very concerned.
I see. Ranrock clearly knows even more than we suspected.
And sir, there's something else. Lodgok knew Miriam.
He knew Miriam?
They encountered each other at Rookwood Castle. She was doing research. That's where she found the container with the port key. He liked her so much that he let her leave with it, despite orders from Ranrock.
I don't know what to say. She could win over almost anyone. I want to hear more of this. And, in fact, I'd like to speak with Lodgok directly. But we've no time now. Where is the next trial?
Believe it or not,
Twojej starej. Dobra, nie.
office.
Incredible. Very well. You'll need the password to get past the stone gargoyle. The headmaster's house elf will know it.
I don't know the headmaster's house elf. Will he even speak to me? I imagine he's loyal to the headmaster.
He is. So you'll need a disguise. I have just the thing.
O, eliksir wielosokowy będzie.
You'll look and sound like Professor Black.
Wait, doesn't Polyjuice Potion require a bit of the person you want to change into? And take ages to brew?
It does.
So how do you already have Polyjuice Potion to change into Professor Black?
One never knows when such a thing may come in handy. Let's just say I felt the need to be prepared for anything.
O, taki gagatek z niego.
Now, time is of the essence. Drink up.
Może on jest profesorem Figiem. Znaczy tym, Blackiem. Bo się głos nie zmieniał.
How do you feel?
Incredible. Won't forget that taste anytime soon. How do I sound?
Convincing. I've taken the liberty of transfiguring your robes. As we discussed, you'll need the password from Scrope, who could be anywhere in the castle. You might look
Były
for
pierwsze
Professor
krople z
Kagawa.
bimbru, dokładnie.
He's taken to
A,
bandying
ziel.
himself about Quidditch in the hopes that he can convince Black to change his
Pierwsze
mind.
krople z
Thus
bimbru.
far, unsuccessfully.
I see. But what if Professor Black sees me?
Leave him to me. I shall tell him where to meet a liaison from the Ministry in Hogsmeade. That should give you plenty of time.
Thank you, Professor. I suppose we'll meet again in the map chamber.
It's rather strange to hear gratitude coming from Professor Black. I'll see you there.
Now to find the headmaster's house elf.
Zaraz sobie pójdziemy kto indziej. A, nie możemy.
Professor,
Co
moment of
robicie?
your time, please. Professor, I was hoping to catch you.
Places to be, Professor Sharp. Places to be.
Of course, sir. Only you'd asked me about a particular potion, and well,
I did? I did, yes. Well, spit it out, Sharp. I don't have all day.
Probably best not to discuss it here, sir.
Ja o tym decyduję.
I assure you, Sharp, you may speak freely.
Very well. I've brewed the cure for boils you wanted. I can drop it by your office when it's convenient.
Of course, yes. No need for all the cloak and dagger. Simply have a student deliver it.
A student. Very well, sir, if you insist.
I do. And thank you, Sharp. I just hope you've brewed enough for all my boils.
Podziękował mu.
Now, to determine which student gets this rather unenviable task.
Jeszcze my to
I haven't
dostaniemy.
time for any of you at the moment. None. None at all. Move aside. Greetings. I mean, out of my way, children.
I thought I heard the headmaster approaching.
Mr. Weasley, what are you doing here? Don't you have somewhere to be?
Oh, Professor, yes, of course. All sorts of places I'd rather be right now. Do you need something from me?
I'm looking for my house elf. Surely you've seen him?
Ah, the little one-eared fellow. I saw him heading to the Great Hall moments ago, muttering on about your, sterling graces, sir.
I hear you're getting quite good at those concoctions you brew. I say, why don't you bring a sample of your next batch to my office? I'd like to give it a try.
What? Yes, sir. I will. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
On your way, Mr. Weasley.
Fajne to jest.
For my diary.
Muszę to zapisać w moim pamiętniku. Super, naprawdę mi się to tak podoba. Fajne. Bardzo mi się podoba to, że masz tym dyrektorem biegać i...
I wonder almost daily why I accepted this appointment from the ministry.
Headmaster? Here, what could he want?
Mr. Gaunt, where do you think you're going?
I beg your pardon, sir. I'm simply on my way outside.
Taking the day off, eh? Typical student, wasting the hours away.
I have to write 20 inches on Dittany and its uses. Was heading to the greenhouse.
Ah, yes. Mixed with bubo tuber pus makes a fine mustache paste.
Pasta do wąsów. Co?
I find.
Are you feeling all right, sir? You don't seem yourself.
I assure you I am quite healthy, Gaunt. If I need a medical diagnosis, I shall head to St. Mungo's.
O, tu chodzi o jakąś laską, patrzcie, z różdżką cały czas chodzi. Jako niby laska dla niewidomych. Fajna rzecz.
Something is very wrong with Professor Black. Dittany and Pumblechook.
Chewing with your mouth open? Where are your manners?
Professor, a word?
Dobra, jedziemy.
Professor Black, again, it is not too late to reconsider your decision regarding Quidditch.
Ponieważ 72 żyje.
Have trials in a somewhat shortened season. It would be better than none at all.
But the injury, Madam Kogawa.
Professor, more than one student has taken a bludger to the head on our pitch. I dare say it knocked some sense into them. And they're fine now. The fact that it happened to be a pureblood, well, that's no reason to...
What nonsense! That you would trivialize the health of a student over a silly game.
A silly game? You are quite impossible sometimes. Sir, I've a good mind to write to the Department of Magical Games and Sports at the Ministry about you.
Ale żyje.
I should think you'd have better things to do with your time. Now, where's my elf?
Good day, Professor. And I spotted Scrope in the Great Hall. Seems to be avoiding me.
I wonder why. Good day, Madam Kagawa.
No dyrektor, o nie.
What did we do to deserve him as a head?
You call that a shine on those boots? Do better.
Cię aż za bardzo chyba wkroczył w ten udawanie tego dyrektora.
It's the headmaster and he's coming this way.
Dobra, jedziemy, nie mamy czasu na takie pierdoły. Żyje, dokładnie. Nieważne, że dostał czuczkę. Ważne, że żyje.
Stand proud, purebloods. The future is...
Professor, a word, please. Hello, Professor Black.
Ah, Professor Weasley. How delightful to see you.
Sir?
Since I have you here, I wonder if I might, speak with you about Professor Fig.
Oh, very well.
I've decided to give him a bit more, leeway with his time.
Leeway, Professor? Are you sure that's wise? I confess I do worry for his students. He's rarely here as it is.
I realize that, and I'd like to keep it that way.
I see. But, sir, if I may, I am wary of how much time the new fifth year seems to be spending away from the castle, supposedly on Professor Fig's behalf.
Jest o nim godo.
Settling matters of their escapades.
Zakradaj się do zakazanego lasu. Fajne to jest.
Confronting Randall's loyalists and Rookwood's lot.
What? Goodness. You cannot believe everything you hear, Professor. No, you cannot. I mean, I shall keep an eye on Fig. You simply keep doing the wonderful job that you're doing. Simply wonderful.
Thank you. But I'm happy to look into...
Good. That'll be all, Weasley. I mean, Professor Weasley. Good day.
O, to się zrobiło.
A wonderful job. Leeway for Professor Fig? I shall never understand that man.
That'll Professor Fig some breathing room.
O, to chciałem Revelio zrobić, ale nie mogę. Gdzie jest ten grzyb?
As hard a worker as any house elf.
Scroop!
Oh, greetings, Master.
Remind me of the password to my office.
Oh, but Master made Scrope swear never to tell anyone, even Master himself.
How dare you question me? I've a mind to give you a matching set of ears.
Yes, sir. Of course, sir. Scrope begs forgiveness. It is the Black family motto, Master.
Right. Of course.
Master does remember it.
A to związek z czystością krwi pewnie, dobra, nie wiem.
Pure bloods forever, isn't it?
Close, Master. Scrope thinks Master is indeed testing Scrope. It is always pure.
Obviously.
And, of course, as Master knows, in French.
Yes, of course. I order you to...
To tak nie pasuje tutaj.
But Master knows that Scrope's French is most pitiful. Oh, very well. Toujours pure.
Ha! Thank you. Never speak of this conversation with me or anyone else.
Of course, sir. Scrope shall try his best to keep out of Master's way.
To znowu beka.
The polyjuice potion's wearing off. I best get out of sight.
Ja mu tak beknę do ucha. O! Powiem wam. Musi beknąć do ucha.
Made a Just in time. It's wearing off.
Fig was right. I can't believe it worked. Now to speak the password to the gargoyle.
Fajnie, podoba mi się, jak on bekał do niego. Wielosokowa intryga. No fajne! Mi się, jak wam się podobała tak ten quest? Bo mi się bardzo podobał. Bo powiem fajnie.
Confringo!
Revelio.
Idziemy do gabinetu dyrektora i tu. Chodzi w tym, że takie, że to będzie jak ktoś Blackowi przypomniał rozmowie i on nie będzie nic pamiętał. Dokładnie. O. Do kichana, jak on idzie do roboty, nie? Szkoda sztoków.
The gargoyle. That's where I need to speak the password. Toujours pure.
Tak było u tego w komnacie tajemnic był cytrusowy sorbet.
I wonder if all the elite wizarding families have a motto. Revelio.
Poziom 3, no to kiedyś to zrobimy.
It's good to see you.
All thanks to Professor Fig's quick thinking. Now what?
Approach the pedestal in the antechamber and read the book that appears.
I suspect there will be more to this than reading a book.
Your suspicions are correct. We shall speak when you are finished.
Has this been under the headmaster's nose all this time?
Jest lekarstwo na cielaki. No nie, mam drugi poziom niestety, to nie wejdę tam. To jest myśl od siewni tutaj była, patrz. To była myśl od siewni, a nie gdzieś tu?
Revelio.
Teraz przydziało, o! To jest zamknięta, patrz.
That must be the pedestal.
To szczerze, jak wróci, to już będzie ten dyrektor. A to... Co jest?
Professor Fitzgerald, can you hear me?
I am here. In this place, you may call me Neve. You shall be witness to a fable. Pay attention.
Ten co herbatę, którą kradnie, to jest taka minutka zaparzona drugi raz
You
dokładnie.
must move swiftly and cautiously. Use the tools you encounter to find me. The first you will need is a cloak. In this place, as in life, death takes many forms. Avoid each of them at all costs.
Co to jest?
I should have run when I could. I'd be free by now.
This is my chance. I'm coming, Neve. I need to time this just right.
Matrix. Śmierć. Co tu?
A staircase straight ahead.
Co tu się odwala? Ciekawe, ciekawe. Prawda, ta gra mnie wciąż zaskakuje. To jest... Nie wiem.
Ladder. Perhaps they won't be able to find me if I go up there. They're gone, for now. I need to get out of here. Where could Neve be? Too many. I must cross this road as fast as I can.
Jak mi się to uda przejść za pierwszym razem, to jestem kotem.
But I need to find a way past them. Nothing this way, but more danger. There must be another way to find you. I need to turn back. There's no getting past them that way. That doorway looks like closed tight. No way but forward, I suppose.
Kurde, te ciekawe to jest. Filtr szkic dodali. A, jeszcze mi dałem czas, żeby mnie nie zauważyli. Fajnie, kurde, a ja tutaj...
Now's my chance.
No już on mówi, nie? Dwadzieścia 6 godzin gry.
That's the way forward.
Spoilerna niewidka pewnie.
I think I'm invisible.
Teraz chyba o insygniach śmierci też mi się zdaje, wiecie?
They can't see me at all. I can get closer to them. This is the way forward. Finally free. Now where are you, Neve?
You who have run death thus far, but have yet to find me. Keep searching, but this time you will be unable to hide. Wield the wand you see before you. Do not squander its extraordinary power.
Czyli to mamy kolejną. No to mam dwie insygnie śmierci.
I've never felt such power.
Depulso, Descendo, Defender, Protego, Bombarder, Depulso. Bombarder, Depulso, Descendo, Defender, Depulso, Descendo, Depulso, Bombarder, Depulso, Defender, Descendo.
O, jeden punkt talentu będziemy mieli.
Bombarder, Depulso, Descendo, Defender, Protego, Depulso, Descendo, Stupid, Bombarder, Descendo, Depulso, Stupid, Descendo, Defender, Depulso, Stupid, Protego, Bombarder. Bombarder. Depulso. Stupid. Bombarder. Depulso. Descendo. Defender. Protego. Bombarder. Depulso. Descendo. Defender.
Idziemy dalej. Teraz będziemy z bossem walczyć, tak.
Bombarder. Descendo. Defender. Bombarder. Depulso. Descendo. Defender. Bombarder. Descendo. Defender. Depulso. Protego. Bombarder. Depulso. Stupid. Bombarder. Depulso. Descendo. Defender. Depulso. Bombarder. Protego.
Dobra, walczymy z trollami. O! Lecisz, dobra, na razie. Trzymaj się. Adik, dzięki, że byłeś. O, udało się. Nie było to jakoś to mega trudne. Oj, trudno. Znaczy dobra, no może to nie było aż takie...
A simple stone. This must be for me.
Chciałem zrobić tu przewroty w przód, teraz fikołki, ale się nie da. I kamień wskrzeszenia!
You're far from finished. Pass through the mourners ahead. Nothing is what it seems.
I can't believe she's dead.
Dear sweet Neve. Dead.
Neve! Why? We won't be the same without her.
You found me, but you cannot undo what has been done. The magic of the stone can only conjure a shadow of my former self. But there's no light without shadow, as there is no shadow without light. Simply because you can eliminate darkness does not always mean that you should.
Dobra.
Remember that as you witness my memory.
A, do myśl od wsiewni. Ja chciałem zobaczyć, jak to w kolorze by wyglądało, no ale dobra. To jest starożytna magia, ja. Ale incepcja, nie? Jest w książce, teraz myśli, no. Dobra, idziemy.
Your father was remarkable, wasn't it? And
Percival needn't worry about the strands of emotion or the traces that this magic leaves. I found a way to contain all of it.
You haven't stopped.
Goblin Silver.
You spoke to a goblin about this.
Don't worry, he has no idea what we're containing.
We don't know what effect any of this may have. The emotions, the dark traits.
You sound like Percival. And as it happens, I do know. It is a source of strength, of focus. Somehow it enhances my ability to wield magic.
I don't follow, Isadora.
I think we can harness it.
Power like this is not to be toyed with. In the wrong
You
hands,
saw what I did for my father. Nia, imagine the good we could do. Everyone is in some kind of pain.
What are you doing?
Breathe it in. Can you feel it?
Oh, Isadora. This must stop. All of it.
You've kept this power to yourselves for so long because you fear it. I choose to embrace it.
Ludzie, to jest tak, jak ludzie tracą rozsądek. Ale to będzie już koniec? Tak, koniec, dobrze. Już żygałem tym.
Revelio.
Dobra, to na tym będziemy kończyć. O, Fig, co ty tu robisz?
Is it true? Has someone completed the first 3 trials?
First 3 trials.
I have.
But you are so...
Young? I know. You must be Professor Bakar.
I am.
Pleased to meet you. The pensive memory I just witnessed. Was Isadora inhaling painful emotions?
She was.
I found it disturbing. But how did she gain power from it? How did she harness it?
It was disturbing. Although, I wonder that you are asking about her power. I hesitate to reveal the location of my pensive to someone who, perhaps, has yet to understand the responsibility of power.
I can assure you, Professor, I do. In fact, what you don't yet know is that a dangerous goblin called Ranrock has accessed the repository at Rookwood Castle. He has learned to harness the contents of it as a source of immense power. He plans to use that power against wizardkind. We have no time to waste.
I see. Nonetheless, the knowledge you shall gain after you witness my memories is too valuable to share without further...
Nie umiem słuchać tego angielskiego.
I shall require time to confer with the other keepers.
It seems we have no choice but to wait, frustrating as it is. I heard what you told Professor Bakar. Isadora was inhaling emotions to gain power?
She was. And she pulled emotions, as she did from her father, from Professor Fitzgerald, without permission.
Monstrous.
What's more, she said that she found a way to store the traces of magic she extracted in goblin silver.
The repositories?
Possibly. There's something I didn't get a chance to tell you earlier. Ranrock has been digging at locations tied to the 5 names he found in the journals of a goblin metalworker named Bragball.
5 names? The Keepers, and who else? Isadora Morganac?
Precisely. That's how he's been one step ahead of us. Gringotts, the Tower, Rookwood Castle.
If the Keepers won't tell you where the next trial is yet, I say we at least maintain a watch on Ranrock. Perhaps he'll lead us to more information.
Perhaps. I hope to hear from Lodgok soon. I haven't heard anything since I learned of the drills. Oh, and as you've probably guessed by now, your Polyjuice plan worked like a charm.
I knew it would. I may have done too good a job distracting Black. I had no idea he can't hold his fire.
No i gitara, i fajnie. No i wszystkie, nie? Więc... Wszystkie misje główne, więc być może, moi drodzy, następny już będzie ostatnim odcinkiem. Cieszę się, że tak dzisiaj nadrobiliśmy.
I shouldn't have reacted so bitterly about your goblin friend. I apologize. I hope we can finish what we started with the triptych.
Ale to zrobimy ta Avada Kedavra jeszcze.
We can search for the final canvas piece.
Weasley coś tam będzie chciała, ale... Dobra, to jeszcze zrobimy to. Bombardę. Feniks z popiołów to nie. To chyba to trzeba z Sebastianem się spotkać, żebyśmy Avada Kedavra chyba żeśmy jeszcze żeśmy szafli. Chcecie, moi drodzy? Dajcie znać, proszę. Chcecie już koniec. No kurde, no dalej już się nie dało, Jerzy. Jasny pieron, Kaj, on tam łazi. Hop, nie ma co robić, nie? Można iść dalej, dobra, dziękuję. Jasny pierun, te... Już jakaś chłop se na Kasprowy wierch przylez, bo chce tutaj przyjeść po mnie.
Handy resource indeed, your field guide. I'm most pleased to be included.
Może ulepszymy... No nie, jeszcze tu nie poleci. Jasny pierun, fajnie. Tam mnie oko swędzi. No co jest, kurde... Czy my dobrze w ogóle lecimy? Ja, dobrze lecimy. Jak ja... Co, ja nie mogę iść, nikaj.
Reparo.
How long for a bacon and mushroom stew?
Patrioticus Totalis.
Kurde, pomyliłem z depulsu. Zaraz pokonam 100 goblinów. Bumbek.
This looks intriguing.
Kod mi tu przyszedł. Kurde, no Sebastian. Będziemy tu grać 300 lat.
Who's there?
A, tam dalej nie pójdzie.
My mind is playing tricks on me. It's Totalis. What was that?
No, zanim my tam dojdziemy.
What's that? Who's there? It's Totalis.
You've one less follower, Ranrock.
Nie repero, kurde, czemu mi się zerwa?
Oh, nice to see you here. Ah, isn't the sea air refreshing?
That relic is the key to saving Anne. I know it. Meet me outside of Feldcroft as soon as you can.
No kurde! Jasny pierun, dopiero teraz mi się pokazało, że mogę tam to zrobić. Dobra, ale zrobimy to. No, będzie dłużej, mówiłem, ale chcę to skończyć już tą grę po prostu. Dziękuję, że wytrwaliście tak długo. Będek. Czekajcie. Gotowy. Idź. A. No dalej się już nie dało, nie? No dobra. Robimy te dwie misje z Sebastianem, żeby się Avada Kedavry nauczyć, to będzie tyle. Szybko my na niego jedziemy.
Nothing
O,
pleasant about the coast.
papieska godzina.
I received your owl. Thank you.
I'm glad you came. I spotted droves of Ranrock's loyalists coming up from the coast. Overheard one of them say they're headed to... How are they still one step ahead of us?
I don't know. I did see another memory. This time it was a keeper named Neve Fitzgerald. She was unnerved by Isadora's use of ancient magic. But I still can't be sure how any of it connects to Ranrock.
These kids
Ale ja
are
wiem.
playing games with you. You need to press them for more information.
It doesn't work like that. To access each of these memories, I have to complete a trial. It's not as easy as you think. They're showing me the memories in a particular order. They...
Either they don't trust you, or you don't care enough about Anne to ask the difficult questions.
Ja, zamknij pysk już tam.
Of course I care, Sebastian. We've come this far.
Fine. I'll defer to your keeper friends, for now. But I don't like it.
Now, shall we see what...
Dobra, no idziemy, już tam nie słuchamy.
Let's go, quickly, before we're spotted. Keep a close eye out. Some of Ranrock's crew moving off the path just ahead.
I wonder why.
Leading, I imagine. This mountain used to safeguard local hamlet valuables. But it's been abandoned ever since Ranrock took hold of the coast.
Chyba nie wiedziałem, czy on jest przodem, czy tym.
Hello?
Jeszcze 6 goblinów i nie będzie nikogo. Dawaj. Właśnie w Fredka wtedy widziałem, że przez 5 godzin grałeś w tego, w ten finala. No to naprawdę podziwiam, szczerze mówiąc. Tak mi się teraz wspomniało. Nie, tu trzeba iść. No.
Kestrels overhead. Some consider them a bad.
Not everyone does.
I know that.
All right.
I'm making small talk. I'm not gonna trek up this mountain in silence.
Ja nie mogę latać tutaj, jakie pieruństwo.
I'm sorry we can both see Thestrals.
Certainly not something I'd hoped we'd have in common.
Dobra, jedziemy, nie będę.
Wait, we should have some sort of plan.
I'm through planning.
The wizards will be defeated. An intruder! Enjoy suffering, do you?
Reminds me of the time I nearly fell out of a cart at Gringotts. I was only young, mind, but not like I'd fall out now. Lucky if I fit in one now. Wait a moment. Too slow.
Expelliarmus!
Can't handle a little
What about Defender! Expelliarmus! Expelliarmus! Bombarder!
I won't rest.
Mamy to, dobra.
They got what they deserved.
What were you thinking?
I was thinking about dead goblins.
You could have got us killed.
But I didn't.
Ja nie wiedziałem, co on zrobił.
Ranrock's loyalists were heading further up the path.
Let's keep going.
Noż.
Gonna make everyone pay. Anything made from goblin silver belongs to us. Whether it's a sword or a repository, whatever that.
Dobra, idziemy.
Did you hear that goblin?
Ridiculous notions of ownership.
A, gniazda są pełne.
Afraid to fight?
Convulso! Flipendo! Confringo! Expelliarmus! Bombarda!
Teraz to działa. Tyle.
How nice of you to stop.
No kurde, ile to zajmuje, ja
I agree. Only good wizards are dead wizard. Ranrock's got that right, and I'll be most keen to help him achieve his goals in that regard.
strasznie to przeciągane jest.
I don't see myself doing this sort of thing forever, though. Fancy I'll have my own operation worked out one day. People working for me. Petrificus totalis.
No grałem 5 godzin w Define, jak ktoś do sorry, mój opóźnienie. Spoko, nie ma problemu. A.
This must be it. Sebastian, wait.
Wait. For what? Ugh, why are you suddenly so...
Co on jest taki wściekły te?
Listen to me. I know you're angry and frustrated, but charging ahead now could undo all the progress we've made. Lord Gok said...
Oh, your goblin friend?
Stop it. That's enough. Not all goblins are like Ranrock. I am not the enemy. We want the same thing. To find answers.
I thought we wanted the same thing.
We do. Listen to me. Lord Gok has insights into Ranrock that we don't. He told me that Ranrock somehow knows about the Keepers and is searching anywhere connected to each of them. That's why they always seem to be one step ahead. I know what I'm doing. You need to trust me, or I don't see that we can continue together.
Fine. Fine. I'm sorry.
Mhm.
I'm letting my emotions get...
Bardziej rozwaliła, jak zrobiłem jednego shorta, drugiego zrobił to. No dobrze, dobrze, no to ja też tak będę rozwalał w sobotę.
And I don't think I can help Anne without you.
Good. Ranrock clearly knows more than we thought. We need to be careful and do this right, not just go charging in. We have our work cut out for us. We need to work together if we're going to find the final piece to the triptych.
Agreed.
Dobra, jedziemy w nią, kurde, czasu. Bo to może mieć... Tak, pamiętam tym jak jasne, nie ma problemu. Ale będzie zapis tego.
So far, so good.
Spiders. How fitting.
Czemu on się nagle obrócił? Patrzcie, co za gad. Znaczy, to nie jest gad, ja wiem, ale... Defindo też to wsadzimy.
These spiders are determined to make a meal of us.
I'm sure we taste better than a goblin dinner.
A staircase leading here. Whatever for?
I don't think anyone's...
No jeżeli ich ominęmy tam, nie?
Another barrier. Confringo. Blast through it. I'm certain. Confringo. Confringo. Look at this place. Not really my style. A bit much, if you ask me.
Walka z bossem, jasne.
Confringo. Expelliarmus. Bombarda.
Jakie...
Getting through the cavern can't have been the only challenge. Perhaps we should search for runes.
Jest. No ja będę grał 300 lot, nie? No dobra, inwentarz. Nie, wyposażenie, my chcemy patrzeć. Co mamy? Mamy coś silniejszego? Nie. To... Nie. 79, 60. Dajcie, muszę zrobić ornuk, bo chcę wiedzieć, czy coś dostałem nowego. A tu, czy coś na moją głowę? Tak. Tutaj, czy coś mam silniejszego? Nie. To musimy wywalić. Z każdego po jednym wywalimy. Dobra. Byśmy trochę zebrali.
You've seen rune symbols like these before. Revelio. Confringo. Can't get out of here quick enough.
O, troll. O, ale nie będzie trudne. Chodzimy. No zrobiłem unik. Zrobiłem unik, co za obsrana gra. O kurde mol. A ja... Cholera! Włączyłem coś nie chciałem, coś nie chciałem. O, fajnie, już 10 tych nam. To go teraz chyba uślepia. No walczymy, ale nauczyłem się przez te pierodę godzin Ale walka, kurde. O! Ale ciężka walka. Bardzo ciężka walka, szczerze. Ale... udało się.
Revelio. Revelio. Bombarda certainly made a mess of things. Debris everywhere. Reparo.
To pikuś. To pikuś. No to fajnie, to fajnie. To mi robisz bez nadzieja, powiem ci.
Did you find something?
A journal entry. Isadora was here.
Ja tam nie czytam tych mapników i zero, bo nie mam na to czasu.
We couldn't jump high enough to reach that ledge if we tried. Accio. Wingardium Leviosa. Well worth it. Another barrier. We can blast through. Certain.
O, moje marzenie rosną z każdym dniem. Mój cel nigdy nie był bardziej oczywisty i wiem, że spełniam swój obowiązek. Z każdym dniem rośnie liczba dusz, którym zdołałem już pomóc. Tak wiele tu bólu. Odkryłem też, że magia w jakiś sposób potwierdza, że moje czyny są słuszne. Za każdym razem, gdy wdycham mgiełkę, choćby odrobina staje się silniejsza. Nagrodza moją odwagę, nagroda za wykorzystywanie magii zgodnie z jej prawdziwym przeznaczeniem, bo wiem się jednak, że muszę ukryć to, czego nie mogę na razie użyć. Nie rozumiem jeszcze tej mocy, nie chcę ryzykować. Mam pomysł nieco ryzykowny, ale czuję, że się opłaci.
Good news?
This journal entry sounds worrisome.
No.
This can't be a dead end. Must be another floor above us. Revelio. Confringo. Revelio. Accio. Repulsor. Flipendo. Accio. Flipendo. Flipendo. Expelliarmus. Bombarda. Confringo.
Dobra, co ja mam zrobić? Bo już zgubiłem.
Confringo.
Co?
Revelio.
A tu, dobra.
Bombarda. Almost as good as if I'd done it myself.
This place can't have belonged to only Isadora.
Kurde.
The triptych pointed us here.
No, włazisz tam.
Confringo. symbol. Feel as if I should be fluent in runic language by now.
Bombarda!
Confringo!
Jakieś trąbki albo coś, dobra.
Could this be another area Isadora?
Revelio. Isadora must have honed her skill with ancient magic here.
Jak się mogą tak straszliwie pomylić? Doktorka mi nie pomoże, próbowałem jej wyjaśnić, ale tak samo jak inni są ślepa na moje możliwości. Odkryłem, że tak naprawdę na nikim nie mogę polegać. Ale jestem teraz potężniejszy niż kiedykolwiek wcześniej i wiem, że to dzięki czujnym przeze mnie wysiłków. Bez woli, bo moja magia leżała odłogiem, tak w przypadku obrońców. Ale też ja nienawidzę tej nazwy, jakby bronienie mocy przed zakusami było czymś chwalebnym. Przyznaję, że zacząłem wątpić, czy znajdę swojego za życia kogoś, z kim będę mogła podzielić się owocami mojej pracy. Jeżeli nie, to znajdę ukojenie w fakcie, że stawiałem innym tropy, ścieżkę prowadzącą do wiedzy. Może moi następcy osiągną coś, czego nie zdołałem uzdrowić świat. To się nazywa, moi drodzy, fanatyzm.
I know from the memories I've seen that the keepers in Isadora didn't see eye to eye on the use of ancient magic.
I wish you could see one of her memories.
The final canvas piece to the triptych. We've done it.
Isadora should not have had to keep all this secret.
I know from the memories I've seen that the keepers in Isadora didn't see eye to eye on the use of ancient magic. But I don't understand why she seems to have gone to such great lengths to tell her story without their knowledge.
I wish you could see one of her memories.
So do I.
Perhaps completing the triptych will shed more light on all of this.
Revelio.
A, wyłazimy. Oj. Dobra, to ma wadę, kadabra sobie na później zostawimy.
I cannot believe the journey this triptych took us on.
This is it.
Don't keep me in suspense. Go on, place it.
Another pensive.
This is what we've been chasing.
I wonder.
What is it?
Dobra, to jeszcze to zobaczymy, będziemy kończyć.
I cannot bring my brother back, Father. But I can give you peace. Please, have a seat.
Isadora, we are all most intrigued to hear.
We're ready. I've something to show you. Father, these are my colleagues from Hogwarts.
się przywitał.
Father hasn't spoken since my brother died. On my travels, I confirmed that which I've always believed. That we have the power to take away pain.
Isadora.
Ja to do Krause do Takishi.
What have you done?
I took his pain did indeed.
Of course it did. It's goblin silver.
I need something much bigger.
All right. I would help if you could tell me more about what it is you're storing.
Magic. Left over from a spell I devised to remove pain, but if used correctly, its power can be used to do even more good.
Why would you want to store such magic away?
I only need to keep it safe until I can convince my colleagues of its worth. Magic like this unnerves some.
Not everyone's ready to wield such power.
Perhaps not. Someone will be.
She took away the pain. I knew it. I knew there was a way to help Anne.
Something isn't right, Sebastian.
What do you mean? You saw what she did.
No, not the memories, the portrait. I think the reason Isadora hasn't appeared is because she can't.
I don't follow.
We have seen that view before. The abandoned home in Felgroth, the destroyed painting, it was her.
So someone destroyed a bit of enchanted canvas, but we found the memory.
Yes, you're right.
We saw what she wanted us to see. We saw what she could do, what you can do.
But I don't know how to do what Isadora did.
Well, then you shall learn. The Keepers can teach you.
I'm not sure that they would. The Keepers believe that removing someone's ability to feel pain, it's a highly complicated, unpredictable form of magic. One that should be wielded with great care. If at all.
If at all? You've overcome all of their challenges. You've more than proven yourself. You can wield it. You have the ability. Please, talk to the Keepers. If not for me, then for Anne.
Why did the Keepers want to keep Isadora quiet? Why destroy her portrait?
No, coś tu nie grało. 4 zadania nam stykną na następny raz. Dobrze, moi drodzy, to by było na tyle, jeśli chodzi o to. Następnym razem już skończymy Hogwarts Legacy. Bardzo się postarałem dzisiaj trochę dłużej, bo dziękuję za to, żeście byli do samego końca. Bajo, Freddy, dziękuję Ci, dziękuję Wam bardzo, Bajo. Trzymajcie się, do następnego. I na razie. Ja tylko wyjdę. Bajo, pa.